on it. Whatever. Still gonna send it. Okay. Spun around real quick right there. That's a good way to warm up, I guess. Dude, it's a fun hill climb. It's a ripper. We got blown fork seals for the past 3 rides, so we got literally, like, you know how it is, like no front brake, but it's there, but it's not. So we gotta bomb these downhills a little easy. See right there, front brake locked in and ain't doing shit. Try it again. Oh shit! Come on, baby. Second. Woo. Dude, my hands are frozen right now. Like that, dude. It's so weird. I changed the fuel line leading from the tank to the carb. It's a little, like, little bit bigger hose, I think. I don't know. It's the only one I had. All I did to forget my front brake ain't working. Whoa. Oh, my hands, bro, I could barely pull the clutch in. They're frozen right now. She hooked and couldn't get the clutch in time to hit that. No biggie. We'll try it again. We'll be back. Alright. Let's do it. Round 2. I'm down the hill, barely any front brake. Yeah.